Hello, this is Commander Kelly, and I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial video for a friend of mine on how to install a Police Siren mod for GTA 5, 5M. He's already downloaded the mod itself, which is Mastercom, and he's already downloaded WinRAR to unzip it. So all he needs to do is double click it. Let me just get rid of this window. And all he needs to do is click extract here, and he'll get this window pop up. And then all he needs to do is click OK, and that will then extract it to the folder that is chosen to download the file to, which in my case is the downloads folder. And then inside the downloads folder, I'll have another folder called Mastercom, and he needs to double click that, and then inside this folder, he needs this one, the bottom one, Mastercom B Rumble. So he double clicks that, and then he will need this file here. So he'll right click this file, copy that, and then he's going to have to paste this into a folder within the Grand Theft Auto directory itself. So to get to that, he will, one minute, let me get rid of that. He will need to go to his Grand Theft Auto game, right click on it, click properties, then go to local files. He will then need to go browse. I don't need that no more, so I'll get rid of that and make that bigger. So from here, it needs to go to x64 audio SFX, and it'll be replacing this file here, resident file here, with the other residence file. Now, if you wanted to keep this file, which I would recommend, I would copy and paste that into another folder somewhere where you know it's going. So all you do is right click, paste, and replace file in destination folder, and then that replaces that file, and that's all you have to do to get it working in the Grand Theft Auto 5M, which I'll do a video in a minute to show you that working. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye.